All right, tutorial 5, very brief. Now that you've created your pretty blog with your video, insert break, nice little photo, you're going to want to make sure everything's published okay. So go to publishing right here, and you'll see section, it defaults to bloggers. So just leave that. Under category, you will look up your blog. Mine is the lovely acid reflux. Scroll up, find that. Then you will not have this published option. Because I'm the super administrator, my posts default to published. Authors, contributors are defaulted to not be published right away, and you don't have an option right here to make it published. That will be the next step in the tutorial. Leave the show on front page alone. If you've got someone else writing or want to put another name for the writer, you can put it on, I can't write here, spell. You can put that under alias. I'm not going to do that. Right here, start publishing. There's a calendar. You click on it, pick a date. Finished only if you want something on there temporarily, and that's really not something you should probably do. I've never actually done something like that. The next step is to put your description in. Metadata just means the information from within the post. Now here you can type whatever you want, and when I link up to Facebook or there's a link to this post, this is what's going to show up as the description of your link. So instead of creating my own, this might not be the best example, but usually instead of creating my own description, I'll copy the first line or two and put it in here. Then that just pulls up. The other thing you can do is create your own, but this takes more time. Blogger tips for beginners. Then your keywords. This is what I suggest you do to save time, is go to, say, Notepad, create a new one, and create your keywords. Now your keywords are what people use to search and find your post, and what are keywords are that are in your post. I use a standard set for every single post, and then I customize a few according to what the post topic is. So the main ones I start with are the name of the website, positivelight.com. They need to use a comma to separate them. I do a positive light. I do Shampoo Media because we're published under Shampoo Media. I use my name, so you would put your name. I would put in the title of my blog. Then this post is about blogging tips, so I'm going to put blogging tips, writing, whatever. This is your customized part. What I would do is then I would keep this on file. I just, I cut and paste the bulk of what I would put in every single one. It saves me typing it over and over. And actually I did a little backwards. Then I would type in my customized stuff here, blogging tips, writing, and then it's done. Then your next step is hit save. But again, it's not published, and I'll get into that in the next tutorial.